Well, good afternoon, guys. How's it going today? It's a little cold, it's a little windy, but I wanted to make a video. Someone was asking about an update on the K10, so I'm gonna give you guys an update on the K10 after we see how the old P-pump truck starts up. Hasn't run in maybe a week or so, and it's maybe 20 out right now, so not the worst. Right there's the view. Need to throw the bumper back on this truck, and I think I might throw the 285s back on, maybe the fender flares, just so it looks a little bit better to sell it. Definitely cold. We're gonna back it over to here. Sure does run like a champ though. I know a couple of you mentioned in the last video it sounds like it has some sort of a knock, and it kind of does. I will agree with you. I'm pretty sure it's nothing like anything to do with oil pressure issues or rod bearings or anything. I'm gonna go through and check the valve lash on it one of these days, make sure nothing in there isn't super loose. I don't think it is, but just to check. And then the other thing I am gonna check is thinking it might be one of the injectors is not happy, issue there. So I'm gonna look into it, definitely not just gonna leave it. So I'm gonna see what's going on there and get it squared away. So that's where we're at with the truck. I do have new speakers for it. I've bought for it, so I gotta throw those in. I guess it's saying it's 25 out here right now. I don't know. Runs pretty good though. Anyhow, oh, that bothers me. This video was supposed to be an update on the K10, so let's talk about that. So here's my K10. So I think I just hit the button by accident, but here's my K10, which isn't so much a K10 anymore, other than the frame, which won't be a K10 frame anymore either. This tire's low. It's been sitting for a while, actually. I have no real changes to it lately. The big thing I want to do, I think I mentioned this before, is crossover steering is big, and then of course the new frame. But it will be getting exhaust hopefully within the next couple weeks. I'll be putting a 3-inch dual exhaust on it. Here's the engine, the temporary, very temporary setup. and then airbox, and it does have a new battery I put in this summer. Other than that, not a whole lot has changed with this thing. Haven't really been driving it. It really needs a clutch too. It should fire right up though. I love this 5-speed in here. If you have an 80 Chevy, definitely put a 6.0 or a 5-speed in it. Not the happiest camper today, but she's a runner. So this is just open headers right now. So like I said, I'll be doing exhaust on it probably, I would say within 3 weeks to a month, which will be 3-inch dual exhaust. I'm not sure, and maybe I'll get your guys' opinion on this. Not sure how to do it. Originally it was straight out the back, which I actually really liked, but now I put that Blazer fuel tank in there, and that's kind of in the way. I mean, I could run the pipes below it, but they kind of hang low. So here's a temporary setup. It's temporary because it doesn't have straps for one, and for two, the sending unit inside the fuel pump actually popped off the the fuel pump popped off the fuel line inside the tank. So I had to drop it quick because of that, and haven't finished that up yet. Mainly because it's just been sitting. So, what is your guys' opinion? Where should I run the exhaust out on here? I explained the issue with running it straight out the back. I probably could do some sort of 45s, you know, like that. I could do 45s in front of the tire, do a 90 in front of the tires. What else could I do? Maybe some sort of dual axle dump. I don't know. I'm not gonna put a stack in it or stacks. That's just gay because it's a gasser. So let me know what you guys think. I'm open to suggestions. I wanted to do something cool. You know, not a whole lot of options I have, of course, but whatever you guys think, let me know. I'll take it into consideration. I will have no mufflers on it. It'll just be straight piped, of course. So that's the plan there. I'm not sure when it's gonna get the new frame for it. I have no idea. It'll probably be a while. So I wouldn't hold your breath on that. So there's an update for you guys. Once I get the exhaust on it, honestly, I'll probably register and insure it again and drive it around, just because this thing is actually pretty fun to drive, minus the clutch, which ain't the greatest right now. But so that's the update on the K10 for you guys asking. Hopefully it'll be going before too long. It'd actually make a really nice winter beater. You know, it's not, you know, it looks like a beater, but I mean winter beater as in drive it through the winter when the Duramax or the Cummins, while I still have it, if those don't start. So that's where we're at with the K10. Kind of lonely, but you know, what can you do? There's a lot of other stuff I have going on right now. So thanks guys for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below what you think I should do with exhaust on that thing. I'm still undecided, so let me know what you guys think. And I think that's about all I got for you guys. Like I said, please subscribe too if you like the videos, and maybe if you guys give me a enough thumbs up, enough views, I'll pull the motor and tranny out of, there it is, this truck, and put it in this truck. I really want to do that. Not sure I can afford to, you know, but let me know what you guys think. Anyways, thanks for watching.